people who are not business owners, people who are not passionate about their business, they don't understand you. So people, if you are a business owner, you are a CEO. And I feel like, everybody joins my broadcast, I call them CEOs, because I truly feel like whether you are renting a booth, whether you are on commission, or you own the barbershop, the hair salon, or the spa, you should think about yourself as a CEO, because nobody is going to care about how much money you make more than you. Okay. Nobody's giving out money. You got to go get it. Okay. And so that's why I want to remind everybody and call you CEOs. Okay. So when you're a CEO, you're different about business. Okay. When you're a CEO, your business is your baby. People who are not business owners, they don't understand that. They're going to work to make money. They have to go to work. They have to pay their bills. Yes, entrepreneurs have to pay their bills as well. However, your driving factor is different. Okay. You're doing something, you want to accomplish a goal. You want to, it's your baby. You birthed it from scratch. It means a lot when people buy into your idea, your conception, right? Whatever concept that you have, when people buy into that, it's different for you. It's like birthing a child when you own a business. Okay. It's like, this is my baby. Okay. And it's really upsetting as a business owner when people are not giving your business love, family members, close friends. It really hurts your feelings. I hear a lot of people talking about this, and that's why I made the post yesterday about this. And I had to even check myself. Okay. But the thing is that they're not going to understand. They're never going to understand. And most of the people, and I'll venture to say this, most of the people that are not supporting your business, right? Supporting it in the way that you like. Most of those people that are not supporting your business, they are not entrepreneurs, right? They work at a job, nothing wrong with that, but they have different motivation. Okay. They have a different motivation. The things that they care about are different than you. Okay. So they don't have the capacity to understand why you're upset. They don't have the capacity to understand why you're upset because they don't feel excited about their job. They don't feel excited about it. They're like, who cares? It's only a job. That's how you make money. Okay. So I want to challenge you to channel that energy of being upset with your close friends and family members for not supporting your business. I want to challenge you to get some customers. Okay. Get your perfect customer. They already got their barber, their hairstylist, their makeup artist, their nail tech. They already got their person. They've been with them for years and years and years. They did not ask you to go into business. I know this is tough love, but it's true. They did not ask you to go into business. Okay. I did not say this in my post, but sometimes family be asking for a little extra, right? They want a discount. They want all kinds of extra stuff. There's, maybe they're not tipping as well. Somebody was telling me there's some extra stuff sometimes that comes along with working with family. And maybe it's just easier just to keep it as business. Have you thought about that?